Jai Hind, all of friend my. My name is Kishan Azad. I belong to Chandauli district, which located from 60 kilometer from 60 kilometer east from Banaras, and Chandauli share border with Bihar. And in the Chandauli is famous for the धान का कटोरा of उत्तर प्रदेश, and also there is a Chandra Prabha sanctuary, and also there is a Mughal Sarai station, Asia one of the largest station. And in the Chandauli the main economic dependency on the chilies farming and cattle farming. But the and also many of the work held and in the Chandauli, like soil pottery. Many of the family, traditional family, cultural family are making pottery by the soil, and also some of the family are making handicraft by the bamboo basuri and other things. And also in the Chandauli there are two villages known for the freedom of the freedom against the British. They though Khakhara and Gosavan participated in the freedom of India against British. So that is our culture in our area. There is a Baba Kinaram Mandir. Uh, Baba Kinaram Mandir, and there is a mutt and Baba Kinaram. That is Baba Kinaram birth village, where Baba Kinaram was born in the 426 Isvi ago, and about his meditation and tapasya. Now he saved lives of the women that time. So everyone started to serving him, and his idea, his wisdom. So he has very wisdom in that field. And the Baba Kinara Mandir is located in the Ramgarh, and Ramgarh far from Chandauli, 45 km around. So that is, and in the Chandauli there is a Balua where Ganga crosses from the Balua, and in the Balua held there held Magh Mela. Magh Mela, like Mahakumbh. When Mahakumbh held in Prayagraj, that time Magh Mela held in Chandauli, Balua. So one thing also, and there is in the Chandauli, most of the youth want to join Indian Army, and they are serving in Indian Army. Serving in the Indian Army, and Rajnath Singh also from the Chandauli Chakiya. So that's why, and their sex ratio of the Chandauli is 80%, and the population around 19 lakh. And the Chandauli area is constructed, and in the Chandauli most of there are village and traditional cultural, and because of Chandauli is the for Chandauli share border with Banaras. So in the Chandauli also traditional, like the Banaras example, Banaras carry such a vast, huge culture. So that also in the Chandauli. There are a Virat Killa where Arjun had came for the searching and that's a thing. And I have completed my 12th from the Sri Krishna Inter College with 90% pass marks under UP board, and also I topped in my college and coaching. And in my class 11th, I choose PCM with Hindi and English because of mathematics. I like mathematics. Mathematics is an interesting subject, critical subject. Always gives challenge solving and gives always interest. So that's why I like math very much. My least like subject is English. So because of there is learning a language, that time my mindset was कि why I learn a language. The main focus should be on learning a critical thing, challenge at that time. But now my challenge has been changed, and now I am learning English language, and I think English language is the very essential and necessary language of anyone who want to join Indian Army, or who want to study abroad, who want to serve in the bureaucratic, and also if anyone want to read in the English language, there are many app, many magazine, many newspaper, good newspaper, good news channel available. So in the English language, accessibility is the very high, and content is very high. So in this time I am learning English language. And when I was young, so I used to think why need to learn English. But now I am understanding English is a very essential language. So everyone should learn English because of English is a very essential language and professional language across the world, and English is a global language. If you want to go any country, any country, and how you will communicate them, so because English every country people are now understanding English, and also some of the professional of every country are speaking, and the most of the country they are not giving visa who cannot speak English. So that's why English has become a most favorite and most dominant language in the world. So that's why. So now I am learning English language by practicing daily, learning speaking in front of the mirror and speaking in front of the camera, and also reading newspaper, reading searching, analyzing, and watching video on the YouTube. That helps me very much because sir told me कि you should focus on the expression of your expression, power of expression. So I am focusing on my power of expression. I need to improve my power of expression. So I am improving. And in the physics, I like physics always, and because of physics is always. And in the army also there is physics. There is physics in the physics law third, who if fire any missile, so that's what keeps force in the that side also give force in the back side. And one physics one physics one physics law I like very most, कि in the light you can see that color what based on the light. If I change light, so the color will be changed of your. So that's very important in the our life. If we change our mindset, so life is become very different. If we change our perspective, so life will become very easy. So that is I am from the and the class 10th, I have scored 84% from the Krishna Inter College. When I was a class 10th, that time there was COVID-19 and class was shut down. There there was not conducting any class, and we had not access of the internet, and our school was not conducting online classes. So that's that time after Indian Uttar Pradesh government, UP board government promoted us, and we got a percentage, we got number on the basis of ninth. So that is I got number from the that area. And in the my 12th in my 12th I gave many attempt. I attempt many tests. I focus on the my weak area, and also I focus on that area where I can improve. I could improve, and also I analyze paper ki how question are coming. So that helped me very much. And in my study, why I choose my college for Sri Krishna Inter College. So in my area, Sri Krishna Inter College only available in my area, and I admitted my admission in that school, and I started to study. And the facility of the in my school, there is a classroom section, also laboratories, and playground, and we have cultural and traditional representation of the college. That is wrong. So after that, so after my class 12th, I am always fascinated to joining Indian Army as a officer, and since from my childhood I inspired by the Major Kuldeep Singh in the Border movie, and I want to serve as in the Indian Army infantry, especially in the infantry, and working working on the ground level for neutralizing terrorist and in the warfare. I want to lead a army. So that's why I started to preparing for NDA exam, but in my first attempt I was failed. I was failed because uh, my wrong understanding about the NDA UPSC exam, and I was preparing like my 12th exam. So that's why I failed in the my first attempt, and I I wanted to clearing in my first attempt. That's why I didn't give any other exam for further studying and higher studying. And in the my second attempt I gave, and in my second again I failed, and I got stuck, and I started to thinking कि where I am doing wrong, and what I should do, where I need to improve, and and because if I will not improve, so that will never help me. So I analyze all of things, and also my friends all, especially my best friend, give me advice and say कि best do, you can do, you will do, I believe on you. So I also started to believing on me, and I again start preparing, helping of my best friend, and she always say to me, Bestu. So thank you so much saying me Bestu. Uh, so that's I started again to preparing for the NDA exam, and in this third attempt I change my all routine to studying, daily routine to studying, like I made made time, I manage time, I give specific time on the specific subject. I give more time on the English because of the my English was not good, and also I don't have that time I didn't have any language, any knowledge about the English. So I started focusing on English, and that gives me very beneficial. And the one thing I learned, if you practice, so you will definitely successful in life. So I learned from the there, I have learned from the there, and I gave many I attempt many tested, and also I attempt PW test, and I attempt KGS test, and I have a NDA practice set. So I used to practice from the my book, that gave me very beneficial. And also during my preparation, sometime I felt very nervous, very depressed कि what we uh, if I do not clear exam, so what will be happen. So that in the kind of the my best friend always you come in my story because of I am nothing without you. So that's why you help me a lot in my that phase, and I also focus very much in my written exam. So completing all this area, I covered. I cleared NDA exam. After clearing NDA exam, I was thinking कि how will I do, how will I prepare for my SSB interview. So I was understanding and trying to understand that time, trying to understand the way, what the best way of the preparing for the SSB. So in the main task was for me कि speaking in the English, learning English, and 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 in enhancing, increasing my confidence level, and also in front of anyone speaking, managing people, and believing myself, and learning about the social issue, what is happening in the world. That is talks. And also in the army there is a psych test and PP and DT test that we we have to write a story on the basis of a picture. That name is picture perspection test. And also in the also psych TET, there is a TET thematic upper system test, that they show us 11 consecutive picture and one blank picture, and we have to write a story on that picture. After that they show us a WT, word association test, and we have to make observation on that picture. After that they give give us a situation reaction test, and on that things we have to give our response. And in the fourth there is a self discussion. In the self discussion we have to write ourselves, what your teacher think about you, what your father think about you, what your friend think about you, and also what you think about yourself, and what you want to become in the future. So that all of things I covers. I am preparing now, and also that time I learned. And after that my all understanding, also watching many of the video, so that I got shocked कि what I should do. And because SSB is not easy, but not also not very difficult if I go on the track of the SSB, what SSB requires. So also on that place also my best friend came. Yeah, as you know, so she always stand behind me, and also in front of me in any helpless and any emotional any conditional thing. He always support me. So she helped me. She said ki this is your dream and I believe you can do, and definitely best to you will do. So I started to preparing and learning English language. So in the October, in the 27 September, I had gone Delhi for the SSB coaching. There is a SSB coaching KGS. So because I have prepared from the SSB coaching, so they they offered me free SSB because of I was the batch. I had taken batch of the their written batch. So I went there and I realized, that is not as easy that I was thinking from my village. So I started thinking, and also felt very depressed, and I wrote in my diary ki, what I am thinking. And after that I involving in the process of the SSB, what they are showing, what they are teaching me. And I have learned very much from there also. And after 14-day batch I returned to Prayagraj. And I started to study in Prayagraj. And after that on the 23 batch December SSB APA batch, I I came 22 December. I came here on the 22 December. In the Nagpur there is Manish sister live. Manish sister live in the Nagpur, and her husband is a loco pilot. So I went to their room, and I live one night on there. And in morning I ate I had food, and after after that, in the after the afternoon, uh, I came on the bus stand of the Appa, and I sat down at the Appa batch, and Appa batch brought us in the campus of the Appa, and also give us all information and in all about thing. So that is I currently going on. So now time to change my topic. In the my family, my family, my father is a taxi driver in Mumbai. He is very hard working, responsible, and never give up mindset. Never give up my mindset and determines. And my mother is a homemaker. My mother is a homemaker. My mother is a homemaker, and she is a very caring mother, and she always ensure everything. She is very hard working also. She is responsible. And I have a younger brother who is currently studying in the 11th standard, and he want to become a businessman in the future. So, and the strength of my brother, he is very emotional and polite. He always thinking about me for helping, and what my big brother is doing, and always he talk to me. So that's why he is a very genuine person, and very realistic person, realistic boy. And currently he is studying, and he is not focused. Man, he focused on his study, and he also participated in the extra curriculum curriculum and everything. And for the my father, so I want to say one weakness my father should improve. My father should buy cloth for himself, for his mindset, for his fashion. And I want to my father should also think about himself, because he never think about himself. He always think about ourselves. So one thing and for my mother, I want to one thing improve my mother to to have to take food on the right time. After taking food, what is work in the family he do. So that all of thing I want to improve in my family. And in my friend circle, I have a large friend of circle. I have large friend of circle. My friend is Asu, Manish, Abhay, Shubham, Roshan, Rishu, Bipin. I have a lot of friends, and my and I help them. I help them in encouraging them toward the study, and also I help them in the any situation, who want to money. So I gave them, and also I help them in their house hold work, because of one friend is alone, and his father is working in the other state, and he has a farm. So I help in his I help I help in his carrying grains in the house, uh, saving saving this, and strength of the my uh, strength of the my friend. They are all selfless, understanding, always stand for me in every situation, and optimistic. They are optimistic and persistent, punctual, and some of the friends have a stamina more than me. So that all they are having. And a weakness of the my friends, about the general awareness, general knowledge, is speaking English, and vocabulary. So that thing I want to improve my friends. So that's why I am saying in. Yes, and also about my hobbies. So I like to exercise. I like to exercise, cooking, and also in my interest, I like to listen podcast, music, movies, and watch video on the YouTube. Watch video on the YouTube basis of current issue and knowledgeable video. And I am I found of watching movie like the army movie, and educational movie. That movie can teach us about the aspect of the life. That type of movie uh, I watch, and I also listen music, exploring podcast. That type of work I do. And the and in my and I play cricket. I play cricket. I play cricket when I got time. And also we go to and in the my is free time, I we go to visiting a place like the Baba Kinaram Mandir, and also that place Balunga Ghat. That type of we used to go. And the what is your daily routine? So I wake up in the 5:30 in the morning. After waking up, I went to uh, field ground, and I feed to cattle. After feeding, I I go to farm with my family, and we prepare vegetables like chilies, bhanta, dhania, mooli for the for take for taking vegetable market for selling. So we wash all vegetable. I wash all vegetable with my family. After doing this, I go to vegetable market. I go to take with vegetable market for selling. After selling this, I return on home, and I bath, and I take breakfast. After taking breakfast, I read 3 or 4 hours. After reading, if there is any work in my family, pending work, so I complete it. After completing my work, again I sat down. I sit down for studying, and and I study 3-4 hours again. After that, I went to farm and for plucking chilies from the plant, and also doing necessary work like irrigation and digging, and also and onion, ginger, and all I like of things. And uh, I also farm wheat, rice, mustard, and all of things. In the night, after irrigation, I मैं अपनी पाइप बटोरता हूँ. आफ्टर collecting pipe, after doing this, I return back in the field ground. We play cricket together. After playing cricket, we exercise in the evening, and I exercise evening with friends. And also after that I exercise. After that I go to home, and in the night I help my younger brother with his study. If I solve his doubt in math, in physics, in chemistry, if he asks me, and when food prepared when food prepared by mother is prepared by the mother, we all do dinner. Together, and sharing aspect of the life, and also learning lesson from the elders. Elder used to tell about their experience of the life, and also they tell us about the what should do, what should not do, what is ethical, what is non-ethical. So that's why I am learning. That's why I have learned very much thing from my grandfather. One thing I have learned, कि always be grounded, and I also implemented in my life. Now I always be grounded, and I feel. And also he said, he taught me. He has taught me to always believe in yourself, because if you do not believe in yourself, so that world will not believe in you. So first of all, start to believing in yourself. After that, you will become able to explaining yourself, your expression in front of anyone, and you improve yourself. That is one thing. So after having dinner and talking aspect of the life, I go to study, and I study for 2 hours. I study for 2 hours, and I sleep on 10 p.m. That is all my daily routine of the home. And Sunday routine of the home, I as usually I wake up 5:30. If I don't go to vegetable market, so I wake up on the 6 a.m. in the morning. After waking up, I went to in the field ground, and I feed to cattle. after feeding cattle, after I went farm for any essential necessary work. There is like the like the checking and throwing throwing pesticides khad in the village. So I do, after doing this I go to play cricket with my friends. We play cricket 2-3 hours. After playing I come back home and having food and do work. If there is any work, I spend 1-2 hours with my family and helping him about the technology, teaching her about the mobile system and the technology. And if there is any work, like going to market and bring money from the ATM, also bring some things from the market. So I go to do that work. If there is no work, so I decided to go. I decide with my friend to go for visiting nearby place like the Baba Kinara Mandir and Balunga Ghat. That place are famous in my area, so that I decide to go. And in that place, that nice. And what kind of difficulty I have faced? So I have faced many difficulties during because of my father live in Mumbai, and I am responsible for the house. So I am elder's son. So many of the responsibility on my for taking responsibility for of the farming of the cattle. Also if anyone ill sick in my family, so I immediately proceed that in that. And also I have faced one difficulty during when my grandfather was ill, and that time my father also facing a financial problem. So that time I sold some of the grains of the family, and one cattle I send for the for health of my grandfather. And also when my mother sick, so that time in the initially, because after seeking my mother, there is no one to cook food. So I learn how to cook food from my mother. And now I help when my mother ill, so I help in the cooking food. And especially I could I cook like chapati, chawal, dal, roti, and bati, chokha, and paneer. I know the that type of responsibility. My responsibility is high in my family. And I have organized Saraswati Puja in my village. And also I have organized a teacher day in my school, and Independence Day in my school. So I learn very much in the in organizing puja because in the organizing puja, our main focus on the everyone goal on the one, and I was the chairman. Of the member committee. So I we do meeting for the what we'll do this year. So we take initiative. We make pandal by the bamboo, and what should be design of the pandal. So we make design of the pandal. I especially we all of I make a design what should be searching from the YouTube also, and making design, and we discuss each other also, and and I bring tent. I collected puja chanda money from the village with my friend, and now this time very easy to collecting chanda money because of we use UPI, and we ask to give money on the UPI, and when they start to giving money on the UPI. So we request, oh, you are giving for the puja, so increase money. Why you are giving only 50 rupees? Give us give for the donation 20 rupees. So that is very helpful, and we bring I bring a tent system, and also for the saving money I have brought decoration system from the Banaras, and in the Banaras there is very cheap. Very cheap. So that's why I bought from the Banaras, and for saving money to enhancing, and delegating work like the electric system. I delegate one, and also my managing all of things, collecting money, taking responsibility, bringing diesel, bring murti from the Sakalniya market to establish bringing Pandit ji for the puja, and also making sweet, making prasad for the distributing in the aarti. So that of major things I covers, and I was the captain of my cricket team. So in the cricket never before winning never understand कि I win, and before defeat never give up, and never underestimate your opponent, because opponent is very high class. We don't know. That's why, and organize, and teamwork in the cricket is a teamwork, and in spite of being a captain, I took my I left my decision, and I go to with my team for our goal sometimes. And also, if in the family any player is facing difficulty that day, so I encourage him कि go well, everything will be fine, don't hesitate, because of the don't hesitate, life is very, don't hesitate, go, what happened, I am taking responsibility, that is my responsibility. He go without hesitation, and he do well. So that I have learned from the, that also apply in the uh, army, organizing, applying minimum resources. Sometimes our main player do not come for the playing, so that day we take initiative, and we take initiative, we manage, I manage player, all to delegating places, and taking responsibility. Sometimes if no one come to take responsibility, so I take responsibility for the batting, for the bowling, because in the crucial match, in some condition, no one to do bowling, no one to do batting, because of fear of failure. So I came forward, and do I I I do my best. What happened, I never think. So that is helpful for the my study, and that is helpful for the my personality making every day. And about the my friend, about Manish is very honest, persistence, and he has very much knowledge about the farming. He is very polite, selfless, always stand for me. So that is, and one his one weakness is hesitation. He when he speaks, so he hesitate during speaking. So that one weakness he have. And also Asu is also my best friend, and he is also stamina. He has stamina what I don't have. And one weakness of the Asu, he he have not general knowledge and general awareness about the world. So that, and about and about Abhay. Abhay is also very my best friend always, and he is very nice, and he study very well. Also now he is studying, he is preparing for SSC CGL exam. And his strength is persistent. Persistence is his strength. And and also weakness of the his to hesitation. He has also hesitation, and fear of stage. And my friend want to me कि I should work on my communication skill. I should work on the my speaking English, because I have to give SSB interview. So in the SSB interview, English is the essential language, necessary language. So everyone should. So you they say me कि please improve your English because for the SSB. And also, so what that one weakness they want to improve, I am improving. And also they want to कि I should know about all army aspect of the army, everything. And my mother want to me कि make a timetable for the all thing, make everything in the discipline, like the eating food on the time, eating food on the time, and caring. I often do all things, but mother is mother. Mother always think one thing कि my children, my, so that his love, her love, this is her love. And my about my father want to me कि my I will speak in front of I speak in front of 1,000 people on the stage. So that is one I am improving, and I will I will improve what brought in my awareness. And also about my teacher. So my my best teacher is the Sandeep sir, because he taught a practical way, logical way, understanding way, and often he gave example of the real life. So he taught us mathematics, so that is very my favorite teacher, because of this. And he always tell everyone one to one weakness where need to improve. So that's why where need to improve, where need to improvement. So that's why I he is my. And also uh, my one second my favorite teacher is the uh, Munir sir. He 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 had taught us chemistry in the 11th 12th, and also in 9 10. And his way of this teaching and presenting himself and giving example of the all kinds. And also uh, he asks many time, and he told us many time. So that is one thing, my teacher. And about my third teacher. So he is Baba Bal Gangadhar Tilak sir. He had taught he has taught us about the he has taught us physics, and his livelihood during his livelihood during the his livelihood during the class is very making class funny and enjoyable. And his class finish his class finish with most of the knowledge and also enjoyment. So he teaches he teach in the fun way. So that's why he's very my third favorite teacher. And if I talk about the my understanding, my least favorite language subject, my least favorite subject is the English, English, Sanskrit, that type of subject. I because that is for me that is a boring subject. History, about reading history, there is no interesting thing. So why you want to become Indian Army officer? I want to become Indian Army officer since my childhood, because I am I always inspired, I always passionate to join army, uh, joining, and for joining because I want to lead I want to lead unit. I want to lead unit like the border. In the border would be Sunny Deol character and Sunny Deol characters. That's why I and defense gives us life, not a job, and gives us purpose, living of the purpose, everything. So that's why I am going to join Indian Army, and I will join and I am going to select in the SSB Bhopal on 20 January. That is my belief. I believe on myself now. I believe very much. Thank you so much.